Hey, what's happening, Facebook? How's everybody doing out there today? We're here, day two, Claremont. So let's go take a look and see what's been done. Quick video update, but got a lot of stuff sanded yesterday. Take you back here. We got putty on the floor, covering gaps. Still need to hit things with the edger, but as you can see, everything is looking pretty good. So far, so good. Things puttied up. Let me show you this closet in here. There we go. This thing's gonna look beautiful once it's all said and done. Let me show you the living room. So, got a little bit more sanding to do in here, but almost there. That's the original. This is us. So you can see night and day difference. And that's our sample of the stain. Just let her know that, hey, that's the color that it's gonna look when it's all said and done. That is our finish, actually. Sorry about that, I said stain, but it's pretty comparable to a stain when that's on the floor. It has a yellowish hue. That's our vivid satin and great finish, overall. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Got a little bit more work to do, and then I'll do another video update, and we can see where we're at from there. But I am looking forward to seeing this finished job. I mean, it's a night and day difference. I mean, the homeowner is already like, wow, just on how it looks just sanded. So I'll do a video update in a bit, and we'll go from there. Everybody have a great day.